Is that it? ඒකද ඒ that පාවිච්චි කරලා කියන්න පුළුවන් මෙන්න මේ වගේ වාක්‍ය 100ක් එක තමයි අද වීඩියෝ එක ඔයාලට අරන් එන්නේ. ඉතින් වාක්‍ය 100 ඉවර වෙනකම් බලන්න ඔයාලට දැනගන්න පුළුවන් that පාවිච්චි කරලා එදිනදා ජීවිතයේදී කොහොමද ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරන්න කියලා. What's that? මොකක්ද ඒක? What's that? Is that true? ඒක ඇත්තද? Is that true? That is mine. ඒක මගේ. That is mine. That's right. ඒක හරි. That's right. I've seen that. මම ඒක දැකලා තියෙනවා. I've seen that. That's strange. ඒක නම් අමුතුයි. That's strange. That's the way. ඒක තමයි විදිහ. ඒක තමයි මාර්ගය. That's the way. That's too bad. ඒක නම් හරිම නරකයි. That's too bad. Follow that car. අර කාර් එක පස්සෙන් යන්න. Follow that car. I want that bag. මට ඒ බෑග් එක ඕනේ. I want that bag. Let me see that. මට ඒක බලන්න දෙන්න. Let me see that. That is his car. ඒක ඔහුගේ කාර් එක. That is his car. That isn't fair. ඒක නම් සාධාරණ නැහැ. That isn't fair. That won't work. ඒකෙන් වැඩක් වෙන එකක් නැහැ. ඒක හරියන එකක් නැහැ. That won't work. That's terrible. ඒක නම් අපිරියයි. That's terrible. Who is that boy? කවුද ඒ පිරිමි ළමයා? කවුද ඒ කොල්ලා? Who is that boy? That's our house. ඒ තමයි අපේ ගෙදර. That's our house. I don't know that. මම ඒක දන්නේ නැහැ. I don't know that. That boy is smart. ඒ කොල්ලා නම් සුපිරි. That boy is smart. That house is big. ඒ ගෙදර නම් ලොකුයි. That house is big. That's really sad. ඒක නම් පට්ටමවුල් හරිම දුක්බර කාරණයක්. That's really sad. What's that sound? මොකක්ද ඒ සද්දේ? What's that sound? Whose car is that? කාගේද ඒ කාර් එක? Whose car is that? Wow, that's cheap. නියමයි. ඒක නම් ගොඩක් ලාභ නිසා. Wow, that's cheap. Can I see that one? මට ඒක බලන්න පුළුවන්ද? Can I see that one? Look at that smoke. බලන්න ඒ දුම දිහා. Look at that smoke. That would be fine. ඒක හොඳින් සිදු වෙයි. That would be fine. That's a good idea. ඒක නම් හොඳ අදහසක්. That's a good idea. That's a really great. ඒක ඇත්තටම විශිෂ්ටයි. That's really great. What was that noise? මොකක්ද ඒ සද්දයක් ආවේ? What was that noise? Why did she do that? ඇයි ඇය එහෙම කළේ? Why did she do that? Don't talk like that. ඒ විදිහට කතා කරන්න එපා. Don't talk like that. Everybody knows that. හැමෝම ඒක දන්නවා. Everybody knows that. Is that answer right? ඒ උත්තරේ හරිද? Is that answer right? Look at that picture. බලන්න ඒ රූපෙ දිහා. Look at that picture. Please do that again. කරුණා කරලා ඒක ආපහු කරන්න. Please do that again. That is the bus stop. ඒ තමයි බස් නැවතුම් පොළ. That is the bus stop. That's really stupid. ඒක නම් ඇත්තටම පිස්සුවක්. That's really stupid. What's that building? මොකක්ද ඒ ගොඩනැගිල්ල? What's that building? Could you repeat that? ඔයාට ඒක ආපහු කියන්න පුළුවන්ද? Could you repeat that? I'm glad to hear that. මට ඒක අහන්න ලැබුණ එකත් සතුටක්. I'm glad to hear that. Look at that mountain. බලන්න ඒ කන්ද දිහා. Look at that mountain. That is an old camera. ඒක නම් පරණ කැමරාවක්. That is an old camera. That's good, isn't it? ඒක හොඳයි. එහෙම නේද? That's good, isn't it? That's what I thought. ඒක තමයි මම හිතපු දේ. That's what I thought. That's why I was late. ඒක තමයි මම පරක්කුනේ. That's why I was late. Do you know that hotel? ඔයා ඒ හෝටලය දන්නවද? Do you know that hotel? Don't release that dog. ඒ බල්ලව නම් ලිහන්න එපා. Don't release that dog. I'll leave that to you. මම ඔයාට ඒක තියලා යන්නම්. I'll leave that to you. Is that a cat or a dog? ඒ පූසෙක්ද බල්ලෙක්ද? Is that a cat or a dog? That was a great party. ඒක නම් සුපිරි පාටියක්. That was a great party. That's a good question. ඒක නම් හොඳම ප්‍රශ්නයක්. That's a good question. That's not the problem. ඒක ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෙමෙයි. That's not the problem. He died of that disease. ඔහු මැරුණේ ඒ ලෙඩින්. He died of that disease. How long is that bridge? ඒ පාලම කොච්චර දිගද? How long is that bridge? I can't help doing that. මට ඒක කරන්න උදව් කරන්න බෑ. I can't help doing that. It is dark in that room. ඒ කාමරේ කරුවරයි. It is dark in that room. That boy is intelligent. ඒ කොල්ලා බුද්ධිමත්. That boy is intelligent. That's enough for today. ඒක අදට ඇති. That's enough for today. That's not what I heard. ඒක මට දැනගන්න ලැබුණ එක නෙමෙයි. That's not what I heard. They will agree on that. එයාලා ඒකට එකඟ වෙයි. They will agree on that. After that, he went home. ඊට පස්සේ එයා ගෙදර ගියා. After that, he went home. I wonder why he did that. මට පුදුමයි ඇයි ඔහු ඒක කළේ කියලා. I wonder why he did that. Someone will do that job. කවුරු හරි ඒ වැඩේ කරයි. Someone will do that job. That house is very small. ඒ ගෙදර නම් හරිම පොඩි. That house is very small. That wasn't my intention. ඒකට මගේ අවධානය තිබ්බේ නෑ. That wasn't my intention. That's a beautiful dress. ඒක ලස්සන ඇඳුමක්. That's a beautiful dress. Don't look at me that way. ඒ විදියට මම දිහා බලන්න එපා. Don't look at me that way. Even I can't believe that. මටවත් ඒක හිතා ගන්න බෑ. Even I can't believe that. Give that book back to me. ඒ පොත මට ආපහු දෙන්න. Give that book back to me. I think that he is honest. මම හිතන්නේ ඔහු අවංකයි කියලා. I think that he is honest. I'm very sad to hear that. මට ඒක අහන්න ලැබීම ගැන හරිම දුකයි. I'm very sad to hear that. I've met that girl before. මට ඒ කෙල්ලව කලින් හමු වෙලා තියෙනවා. I met that girl before. That didn't really happen. ඒක ඇත්තටම සිද්ධ වුණේ නැහැ. That didn't really happen. That's the absolute truth. ඒක නම් පට්ටම ඇත්ත. That's the absolute truth. I finally passed that test. මම අන්තිමට ඒ විභාගය සමත් වුණා. I finally passed that test. I have to catch that train. මට ඒ කෝච්චිය අල්ල ගන්න වෙනවා. I have to catch that train. I heard that she came here. මට දැනගන්න ලැබුණා ඇය මෙහෙට ආවා කියලා. I heard that she came here. I shouldn't have done that. මට ඒක නොකර ඉන්නයි තිබ්බේ. I shouldn't have done that. That company went bankrupt. ඒ ආයතනය බංකොලොත් වුණා. That company went bankrupt. A friend told me that story. යාළුවෙක් මට ඒ කතාව කිව්වා. A friend told me that story. Don't let that happen again. ඒක ආපහු වෙන්න දෙන්න එපා. Don't let that happen again. I'm not certain about that. මට ඒ ගැන විශ්වාස නැහැ. I'm not certain about that. I hope that he will succeed. මම බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා ඔහු සාර්ථක වෙයි කියලා. I hope that he will succeed. Everyone always asks me that. හැමෝම නිතරම මගෙන් ඒක අහනවා. Everyone always asks me that. He admitted that it was true. ඔහු පිළිගත්තා ඒක ඇත්ත කියලා. He admitted that it was true. I can't allow you to do that. මට ඔයාට එක කරන්න ඉඩ දෙන්න බැහැ. I can't allow you to do that. I have seen that girl before. මම ඒ කෙල්ලව මීට කලින් දැකලා තියෙනවා. I have seen that girl before. We walked 10 miles that day. අපි ඒ දවසේ සැතපුම් 10ක් ඇවිද්දා. We walked 10 miles that day. I expect that he will help us. මම බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා ඔහු උදව් කරයි කියලා. I expect that he will help us. I know that you did your best. මම දන්නවා ඔයා උපරිම දේ කළා කියලා. I know that you did your best. It is clear that he is guilty. ඔහු වැරදි කියලා පැහැදිලි. It is clear that he is guilty. People don't say that anymore. මිනිස්සු එක තවදුරටත් කියන්නේ නැහැ. People don't say that anymore. That's exactly what I thought. ඒක තමයි මම හරියටම හිතපු දේ. That's exactly what I thought. I wish I could buy that guitar. මට ඒ ගිටාර් එක ගන්න තිබ්බනම් කියලා හිතෙනවා. I wish I could buy that guitar. I can't live that kind of life. මට ඒ වගේ ජීවිතයක් නම් ඕනේ නැහැ. මට ඒ වගේ නම් ජීවත් වෙන්න බෑ. I can't live that kind of life. Does he know that you love him? ඔයා එයාට ආදරේ කියලා ඔහු දන්නවද? Does he know that you love him? I suggested that we go fishing. මම යෝජනා කළේ අපි මාළු බාන්න යමු කියලා. I suggested that we go fishing. I don't want to wait that long. මට එච්චර වෙලා බලාගෙන ඉන්න ඕන කමක් නැහැ. I don't want to wait that long.